So I'm going to explain this to you, Miriam.
Okay.
A lot of people, they don't know how to start a fire.
They don't.
See how they built it kind of like a teepee?
Oh yeah, it's like a little pyramid.
Yeah, you know why they do it like that?
No, not at all.
Because you need to have oxygen. If you start a fire and there's no oxygen, if it can't come up through from underneath, it'll just put itself out.
Oh yeah.
So they build it like that because
it like goes whoop.
Yeah, and then a little bit of like breezy breeze like it is right now. Guess what? That really gets the fire going. You're gonna see it. It's gonna be like when a breeze comes, the fire starts up even more. Okay, here we go. It's been a hot minute since I've started a fire. So we have our leftover lunch. These paper bowls, hopefully. So, now, to my credit, don't forget it rained for like 2 months straight. So we don't even know if this wood is at that point yet where it can catch, but hopefully.
And your English textbook.
Oh yeah, we might need to sacrifice that. I didn't think you'd be too upset about that. There's a couple sticks there that are ready to catch. The problem is there's no thinner ones near them, so you gotta start off thin. We need the thin sticks. Oh yes we do.
Light it on fire.
I'm lighting it on fire.
Fire. That would be much bigger, like the whole thing.
Patience, little one. Patience.
Oh, doesn't look too bad.
Doesn't look too bad. Don't give up on me yet, Miriam.
Are you praying to Saint Joseph?
So my face doesn't get burned off.
No.
She said earlier, if you pray to Saint Joseph when you're in the fire or something, that you're not even gonna get burned. What was it?
Saint Joseph is.
Oh, right when I said that, it went out. You have to be kidding me.
You gotta be praying.
Pray, little one, pray.
Pray for the fire. Whoa! You see that? Looks like volcano magma. Whoa! My gosh! My gosh! Yeah! It looks like snowflakes on fire. I see a heart. Oh yeah. Don't get burned.
All right, this wood is nice and dry now. The stuff that just started twice.
Okay, light it again.
Should go.
Light it again. If you can light it again, we'll certainly get s'mores. Yeah, the fire is on fire. The fire's getting hotter. Just pretend it's a big holy candle.
It's a big holy candle?
So that you won't get burned.
Come on, that should be enough.
It keeps on sparking.
Never enough. Never.
If that doesn't fit, does it? No, it's not going out.
Not going out.
Does it feel hot when you do that?
Certainly does. But I don't care.
What?
I want my s'more.
I would do that for my s'more. I would just light it on fire. Everywhere. If you do too much, if you put too much on the fire, it's going to just go out. So don't put too much on the fire. It's not scary now. Earlier is hotter than a dragon's breath.
She's just a girl, but she wants a fire.
It's curling up. Yes, it is, so that it gets bigger. And now it's no more than ever on fire. Oh, come on.
It's called wetwood syndrome.
You can do better than that.
When the wood's been wet through 100,000 typhoons.
It's sparking like a dragon's breath. I really touchy it. Or are you just spraying the same yourself again? You're gonna turn that tissue on fire. It knocked it all over. It's curling it up like a beautiful artwork. Don't burn yourself. It looks like an igneous rock on fire. Please don't go out this time, or else there's no s'mores. Turning purple at the hot spots. Don't get burned, or else your fingers will be on fire. Please don't give up on us.
Oh, I'm not giving up.
No s'mores tonight.
Oh, don't say it. Don't say it.
Or never. Okay, I'm just kidding. Or is the fire going out? I would like it to blow on it. It's going like fireworks.
Baby, a firework.
It's going like fireworks. Come on, is that your last flame? Please don't go out. For us. Don't go out for us. Please don't go out for us now.
Oh.
I'm just watching it as if it were a Dio trying to walk away.
All right, this is it. We got a little fire going. You want to get the marshmallow close to the fire, but not right in it, because you're going to start to see it. If it burns, you might not like it.
What part of the van did you have to burn?
It was that special piece that was like the end of the doors on this side, where there was a little gap, and I made a special piece.
Yeah.
It's like a cedar wood.
Yeah.
So it smells good. There it is.
I'm nervous.
I'm going to blow on it and get it a little higher, okay?
Okay, that's enough. Whoa, there was a spark right next to your hand.
Tatay's a fire breather.
All right, here we go.
This is too much fun.
See, you just want to turn it around. You don't want it to leave in the fire in one place too long, because it's going to burn it fast, okay?
Okay.
So, see how I'm turning it?
Okay, it's like a pancake.
Like a pancake. Because we finally have our fire, folks. It took a piece of the van, but hey. It's okay. There's sacrifices in life.
That's the
Oh, you know what? This
closest
is hard
I
to
can
see
get.
if it's burned, because it's chocolate marshmallow. Oh, see how it's getting dark?
Oh yeah, it's very dark.
That means it's melting inside. If it gets too melty, it's going to fall right off the stick. Oh, it's steaming. This is the basic premise. This is the whole thing right here. You got this hot thing that won't even hardly stay on the stick anymore. I'm going to put it there. All right. You take this and just mush it in there. See that on the side?
And that's gonna melt the chocolate.
That's a s'more.
Looks like gold. Whoa. Whoa. The fire's going towards me too. Turning it around. Whoa, did it just stay in shape? Turning it slowly.
7, 8, 9, 10. All right, bring it over to the chocolate.
It's so soft.
Yeah. Now take the other piece, and you can put it on, and just you don't have to touch it. Put the other piece of graham on top.
It's melted.
All right, now smush it down. All right.
Yay!
Is it coming out the side? Oh yeah. All right, let's see what you think.
Oh.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Is it worth it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And now look, we actually have a fire going.
Hey.
Now we want to go to sleep. There's your s'more, Miriam. Happy s'more day.
Yum.